everyone! Welcome to the very first episode of DSA, The Origin Arc by LumenArc. I'm really happy you're here because this is where our journey begins. Chue. You know, when people hear the word DSA, they imagine something scary, full of code, formulas, and pressure. But what if I told you DSA is just a story? A story about how computers think, decide, and solve problems. Let's make it simple. Imagine you have a big box of chocolates, and you're trying to find your favorite one, let's say the caramel flavor. Now, you can either check one by one, or you can be clever and organize them first so you can find it faster. That's all DSA really is. Data structures and algorithms are just ways to organize and solve problems efficiently. Data structures are how you keep your chocolates, maybe in boxes, jars, or shelves. Algorithms are how you search for them. Do you check one by one, or do you use a faster trick? So yes, it's just organizing and solving problems smartly. Why it matters. Now, you might ask, why do I even need this? Well, imagine two people doing the same task. One takes 10 minutes, the other takes 1 second. Both are correct, but one is faster and smarter. That's what DSA does for your code. It makes your logic sharp, efficient, and scalable. That's why every big tech company, Google, Meta, Amazon, loves people who understand DSA, because they know you can handle any challenge, not just by writing code, but by thinking smart. The big O, the speed of your story. Now, how do we measure how smart or fast your method is? That's where something called big O notation comes in. Don't worry, it sounds big, but it's not scary. Think of it like this. You have to find your caramel chocolate. If you check one by one, your time grows as your chocolates grow. That's called O of N. But if your chocolates are sorted and you jump in halves each time, boom, you find it faster. O of log N. Big O is just a way to say how your solution behaves when the problem gets bigger. It's like the speed rating of your idea. The journey ahead. In this series, we're not rushing into coding problems yet. We're focusing on the concepts first, the why and how. Once we truly understand these ideas, solving problems will feel like watching a story unfold. So don't stress about coding speed. Let's enjoy the learning one concept at a time. The next step. So yeah, that's our first spark. We just learned what DSA is, why it matters, and got a small taste of Big O. In the next episode, we'll step into something every programmer uses daily. Arrays and lists in Python. We'll learn about indexing, slicing, and iteration, but in a storytelling way, like always. Till then, keep that curiosity alive. This is just the beginning of DSA, The Origin Arc, only on LumenArc.